Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2016 Jaguar F-Pace V6S all-wheel drive we have new in stock. This particular F-Pace is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and you've got a long list of specifications on the car. I'm just going to run you through some of the standout features, optional and standard. To begin with, the car is finished in Italian Racing Red, which is an optional paint finish. You've also got the S-Black styling package, which gets you some of the exterior trim finished in gloss black, such as the front grille surround, the front bumper attachments, the front splitter attachment, the window surrounds, privacy glass, and some of the trim on the rear of the car as well. You've also got the gloss black alloy wheels to match this black styling package, and red painted brake calipers to match the paint. You've got the LED tail lights and LED daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights as a standard inclusion. You've got a full leather interior as standard. You have the cold climate package with this F-Pace that gets you the heated front and rear seats, the heated lever-wrapped multi-function steering wheel. You've also got access to your cruise control functions from here as well. You also get the heated washer jets as part of this package. You've got the full 18-way movable sport seats with the memory settings as well, visible on the door cards. You also have the power folding door mirrors accessible from the door cards as well. You've got the optional panoramic glass sunroof above, the interactive driver's display, which is also an optional inclusion, the USB sockets in the rear as well, an added optional feature, and on the center console you can see the configurable dynamic mode, which is also an added optional feature. You can access the modes with this on the center screen. You've also got access to your heated seats from here, your reversing camera, and some of your infotainment features such as digital radio. If you would like any more information on this 2016 Jaguar F-Pace V6S all-wheel drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.